Welcome back to the channel. We are having a little fun today. Yeah, we don't get a lot of snow here, anything enough to really like four-wheel in. So supposedly we're gonna get 10 to 14 inches. We'll see tomorrow. But this is the first time I've actually had the Bronco out in any kind of significant snow. Most of it's just like a half inch and stuff. So we're gonna go try to see if we can get into anything. But yeah, look at all the snow, guys. Got a little blizzard going on here. And so I just figured I'd go out and see what we can do. Right now, there's probably about, I don't know, 3 or 4 inches on the ground. But like I said, it's gonna be about 10 to 14, what they're predicting. I don't know if that's gonna be the case, but we'll see. But yeah, I don't know. I'm gonna see if I can find a little trail or something and see if we can get stuck. I don't know, honestly, but it is the first time the Bronco's been out in any kind of significant snow. So yeah, I think it might be fun. Stay tuned. I like to have a lot more snow play in the morning. Do some skipping of the work, if you know what I mean. Pretty good wind going on right now, so we're getting a lot of drifting and blowing of snow around. But let's see if we can't find a spot where we can maybe kind of go off the main road here. I'm not sure if this is even open, but we'll give it a shot. It's kind of nice having the heated steering wheel. I do like that. I have no idea where my gloves are. I thought I brought them, but I don't guess I did. everybody. We had about 7 to 9 inches of snow, depending on where you are in my area. And we don't get that often very much in the Mid-South down here. So not a lot of Bronco time in the snow. So we did what we could yesterday. I found a place that I think may be just a little tiny off-road space just to see how well it does, not on a street. So let's get that part started. It's not too far away, maybe about 20 minutes, but we're gonna see what we can do on that. But yeah, it's gonna be pretty cold tonight too. We might get down anywhere from 2 below to 5 below, and you know, that happens every so often, but not very much. So yeah, I just didn't get a lot of time to play in the Bronco when it snows. So we'll kind of try to take advantage of it. And see if there's anything we can do that's not on the street. So let's get started. Someone's house. All right, well, let's see what we get here. There's people who already been here, as you can see by these tracks. So we'll see where we can go. Fence up there. I see a closed fence.